Hi guys, my name is Tega, and today we're going to be doing the Too Much Blue challenge. And as you all know, we have to pick a star celeb from our bowl of celebrities. So right now, I'm going to choose one right now. Okay, let's choose this one. And let's see who it is. We have Selena Gomez. That's impressive. So Selena Gomez is our star celebrity for today. Alright, so we're here in Canva right now, and you guys know the usual drill. We'll go to custom size, and then we'll change this 2 inches, and then we're going to be doing 17.475 by 11.25. You can check the last video, it's the same dimensions, and then we create our new design. So this is our book now, and then our KDP template that we downloaded earlier. We go to uploads, and here it is. So you make sure you fit it to size, and you scale it all the way. There we go. So now nothing must pass these lines as we remember in the last video, and nothing must interfere with this barcode. So right now, I'm going to start by looking for a background. Since this is too much blue, we're going to be using royal blue background.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Hold me through.
Yeah, oh yeah, I love the design here right now, guys. Maybe we're going to add a circle. Oh, I love how it's blue already, but we're gonna make it a lighter blue. Gonna make it a bit bigger. There we go. And then we're going to reduce the transparency. I need something that will show a bit. Maybe not a circle, but a light. I decided the light isn't worth my time. So right now, we're going to get our picture of Selena Gomez. I have been busy right here, guys, looking for the perfect picture, and I think her gown, probably in Monte Carlo, is perfect right here. So we're gonna use the background remover. And she kind of looks nice. I don't think there's a need to upscale the image though. The image looks okay. Alright, I think maybe we should try adding something like glitter. Let's try something here, guys. Oh, this actually looks so cute. Kind of looks like Elsa in a way. So, I think the glitter actually adds more emphasis to her, and I kind of like that as a fact. Alright, so I feel like this is okay. Maybe we could add a bit of ice. Snowflakes! What if we add snowflakes? It would actually make her give her an Elsa kind of theme. Selena Gomez like this, kind of make her look like an ice queen. And I don't want you guys to think that because I was doing too much red, I did fire for Rihanna, and now I'm doing too much blue, I'm doing ice for Selena Gomez. I did not mean to actually do ice. I kind of got the inspiration from the Wizard of Wizardly Place. By the way, you guys should check out that video because I made Rihanna like a fire singer. So I'm gonna add our initials and we'll be right back, guys. Alright, so I'm back and I kind of added some snow and made it a bit transparent. I've added my initials here and probably added this gradient right here, a combination of a very icy like turquoise blue and then a darker shade of light blue here. I added this right here and then I added my pen name, Azul Frost. So I feel like this is good, so we can now export this as a PDF print. ABCMYK or RGB, anyone really, and then you download it. Now we've got to make the composition line paper. So we're gonna go back to Canva home. And we're going to create a custom size 8.625 by, I keep on forgetting to change it to inches, guys. You guys should please forgive me. 8.625 by 11.25 inches, and then we create our design. So now we've got to create our page, and this time I think I don't want it to be the same as the front cover because I do not believe this would make a good background for our composition paper. So we're gonna have to get some new pictures, guys, which we have here, so we can use some of the pictures here. But of course, first of all, we need to get our lines, so we need our rulers. Right, so we need our rulers. And we'll be right back here.
Logic of things, it's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So we've made our page right here, and then we're gonna get a picture of Selena Gomez. Maybe not this one.
You are illuminating, I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
And there we go, that's our Selena Gomez. Probably change the color of this to something frosty. This is too light, something darker. And just like that, we have our notebook. Might want to make this transparent a bit so it doesn't interfere with our writers. And I think that is wonderful. So right now we are gonna first of all remove the rulers, and then we are going to duplicate the pages, so we will be right back. Alright, and that is our composition line paper.
Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
We're gonna rename this to so we're gonna name this TMB, stands for Too Much Blue. Selena Gomez composition line paper. There we go. So right now I am going to do a preview of each of them and let me know what you guys like the most. This is our Selena Gomez. Might want to adjust the edge of it. But other than that, this looks okay. After all, this is going to get trimmed off anyway. This is our Selena Gomez. And this is the composition line paper. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate. If you love the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next Too Much Color Challenge. Bye!
Yeah, you're the one that